Hi, my name's Paula and welcome to my vlog. This is it.
Get 2 pieces of garlic now, garlic chili.
I'll order some extra naan on the side. Okay, so
just get the naan.
One butter chicken. Actually, make it 2 butter chickens with naan. And we'll get 1 chicken biryani.
Okay.
And 1 chicken masala.
No, I'd rather butter chicken.
No, I've already got that for you. 1 for them, 1 for you. Do you want to get the And I'll get 1 chicken masala with plain naan. Can I also get 1 extra butter naan? Okay. Is that okay?
Rice.
Biryani I've got for you. Biryani's like the chicken rice, yeah?
So what are we eating today?
Everything your son didn't want to order.
We're eating glazed, everything my dad wanted me to eat.
What are we eating? I'm eating butter chicken and Dad ordered chicken masala.
Sorry, I don't think you heard me the first time. We're eating everything my son didn't order. Thank you. Perfect.
Some great plain rice there.
Oh look, it's rice. Nice, plain or non-plain?
Jeez, my family is fighting over rice.
This is the Singaporean version. Rice.
So we are in Little India having lunch at...
Smallest bunch of people.
We are having lunch at Amariati. We've had lunch here before and the kids are complaining that the portion size extremely small. However, it is tasty. Thank you very much. Thank you.
I understand why this is so small because it's so much of that.
So how was your food?
Very good.
What did you end up having? Butter chicken?
Sorry?
You ended up having butter chicken?
I did, yes. With naan and chicken and rice.
Chicken biryani.
My food was good, thanks.
So if you like what you saw today, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.